Make Life Your Runway, and I'm here with my 21 and 2021 Project Pan update. I did the intro in February, and I've sprinkled in some updates in my weekly makeup baskets, but here is our first official update. So if that sounds like something you'd like to watch, then just keep watching. Here we go. Alright, so 21 products in 2021. I think I'm missing one in here. I'm not really sure, but I'll have the intro video linked down below. Here are all of the products. So I chose primarily, exclusively makeup because I just wanted to. Project Pan, my relationship with Project Pan has changed over the last year or so. I used to be so into it. It was a way that I could justify buying new makeup because I would be finishing so much makeup. But I've gotten into a better habit of not purchasing so often, so I feel like therefore I'm not as motivated. Also, I just like rotating through everything I have. In the past, when I was so into Project Pan, that meant I neglected like my whole collection. So this time around I rotate stuff a little bit more, which means I'm just not finishing it as often, or I might be finishing products but they are not Project Pan. I started last year doing where I fill a basket of makeup of empties. I like to throw in expired makeup just as a reminder to myself makeup goes bad, and maybe not purchase the things that expire in my collection. Primarily that is lip products, which I have learned to not purchase as many lip products. But yeah, that is my new method for makeup, is I fill up this basket through the whole year. So last year, you can check it out on my channel, but we did fill up a whole basket, and we're just under half for filling it up this year, which is great because we're just a little bit past halfway into the year. I believe in myself. Alright, so I guess let's start with products that I have finished or have expired and we are done for. So the first expired makeup is Pixie by Petra. I had said in the intro that this was more something that was expiring and that I needed to use up. It is expired now. This is Pastel Petal, their liquid lipstick. I do like this product a lot, but as I just said, lip products tend to expire in my collection, so I'm trying to not purchase them as often because of that. Also, ColourPop Lippy Stick has gone bad in my collection. This is the Cami Matte 1944. Another really nice lip product that just smells bad. I'm not going to put that on my lips. Gross. Alright, other makeup that I have finished or have called finish, the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer. We have finally finished this bad boy off. I'm not one to like chop up makeup and press it, so I am calling this done. This has been in my collection for years and I'm really proud of myself for finishing it up. Makeup that I am almost done with is the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer and Radiance. I use this exclusively in my Makeup Basket Express in my restroom. I'm about like less than half in here, and I'm just going to use it exclusively until it is completely done. Another product, Too Faced Hangover RX, the major hangover. This huge guy was basically full, and now we're to about here. I'm not going to use any other primer, so I use this one in my beauty room, so two different makeup locations. Beauty room is when I have time to do my makeup, and Makeup Basket Express in my restroom is when I gotta go, okay? So I'm not going to use anything else until this one's done, so I know that we'll be able to finish those two up. Other products that are close to being done, the Laura Mercier Translucent Pressed Powder. I really like this a lot, and I primarily use this to set my under eyes, and as you can see, we are close to being done. It's very finely milled, so I use this to set my under eyes, and I know we'll be able to finish that up. Also, makeup that is almost done. This one is a little bit messy, but this is Ciate blush in Summer Love. This is what the packaging looks like. It is so focus, focus, focus. So cute. Like, look at the little stars. But, okay, I'm coming in. It's broken, so I have to be careful when I use it. But I still use it. It's what I have on today. I'm not going to press it, but I'm going to continue using the crumbles until I can't use them anymore. So I think we can get some more life out of it. Other makeup that's almost done, the Tarte Exposed Highlight. I don't know that this was in the intro or if it got added along the way, but this one I'm going to exclusively use in my beauty room until it's done, and then we'll add in other highlighters. I guess that's not true. I'm still rotating in other highlighters for my collection, but I'm primarily trying to use the Tarte. Sometimes I'll like double up highlighters. Okay, all the time I double up highlighters. I like to do, like, that one's more natural looking, so I'll do a natural looking one like above my brow bone, down the bridge of my nose, and on my lip, and then I'll do like intense ones like on the top of my cheeks because I'm extra. Here we have Laura Mercier Highlight 01. I don't know if this has been discontinued or repackaged, but I saw a normal size of it at TJ Maxx for like $15. So I'm curious what's happening there. But once I finish up the Tarte, I think I will switch to using this guy. See, these are the products I have hope that we will get there. We will get where we need to go, okay? The next one that I have hope on is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer. This is what it looks like, and I think it's almost time to take the stopper out because you can see maybe I'm starting to like scrape the edges of it. So I've been the last couple of weeks or so, yeah, I think I could probably take the stopper out soon. I've been trying to use only this one so I can actually get through it. So that's one I have faith. I have faith we'll get through it. And also the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. I have faith that we'll get through this one. It's still pretty full. Maybe it's like to here, but I am going to start exclusively using it, okay? Mark my words. We're gonna start exclusively using it, okay? Are they marked? You got it? Okay, Evans Hue Highlighter in Kitten by Stila. This one is basically done. I don't know. I say that, but there's a lot there, but it's also like pretty old. So I'm going to do my best to finish it up, but if not, I'm proud of myself for this progress. So those are all the products that I'm like, I promise by the end of the year they'll be done. May not be done by my next update, which I want to start doing these updates a little bit more now that we're nearing the end of 2021. I mean, we still have some time, but it's gonna fly. So definitely want to do more updates for you guys on those. Okay, these products, I don't know, y'all. We're just gonna see what happens. The first one is Buxom Lip Gloss in White Russian. It's about to here, so we'll see what happens. Then we have Buxom Dolly, just a little sample size. You can see it's to about here. And I want to continue using it. I actually leave it in my office to use, so I just need to remember to use it more often than not. This one, the No Problem Primer by Touch in Sol. I think this one's going to be hard for me to use on a regular basis because I don't love the formula that much. But once I finish one of the primers, I'll roll in this one to replace it, and we'll just see what happens at that point. I haven't really used this one very much, so I need to start rolling it in more often. The L'Oreal Infallible Loose Setting Powder in 612 Translucent. So this is what the outside looks like. And I mean, there's not a lot in there, honestly. I just need to focus, focus, focus. I literally have not touched this since the intro. The NYX Advent Pop. So this is definitely a sign to me that, like, I just need to declutter it at the end of the year regardless of what happens, because I literally have not used it one time in 5 months, so whatever. We have the L'Oreal, these little brow pencils. I've used them a few times since the intro, but I'll keep them at the end of the year even if I'm not done, because I feel like these products don't really go bad, but we haven't really. And then this one we have been using a lot. I just don't know that I can finish it up, but I think it will be expired at the end of the year regardless. But the Revolution contour palette, so this one fell out, so don't be too impressed. I had hit pan, but then I dropped it and it fell out. But this one, I did that. This one's getting a little dip in it, okay. This one, you know, you see that pan, and then these have little dips, but I haven't hit pan on them. But once I finish this, so I just used this bronzer, that's what I have on today. I have this whole thing on today, like my bronzer that you see, and the highlights, the under eye setting powder. So I think once I finish up this one, then maybe I'll mix these two together to use those up. And I think I'll hit pan on this one by the next time you see this. I love this palette, and I also love keeping this in my Makeup Basket Express. I find if you truly, like literally have 5 minutes to do your makeup, that having a all-in-one palette like this that has, you know, it'd be better if it had bronzer, blush, highlight, but even just having everything but one thing like blush saves so much time. Like, I absolutely love this so much. So I think we'll continue to make progress. I just don't know that I'll pan the whole thing. I don't know, I've been dreading this update because it's like, that's kind of boring, Abby. Like, in 5 months, that's all, huh? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, subscribe. If you like Project Pan content, I post it sometimes, so follow, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that beautiful stuff. I love you guys. Thank you all for this community that we have created here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!